So welcome back to this channel once again, and in this video session I will discuss this video topic, that is using QCMD check in CL programming. So we are now gonna having a demo of this API in CL program. So what does this API basically do? So this API will basically check the syntax of that command which is gonna be executing using the QCMD execute or system C API. So before that we are gonna using the QCMD check because we are basically building a command in a string. So we must ensure that the syntax is correct so that during execution you won't be getting any issue. So let's see the demo. So this command basically accepts two parameters. One is command string and the second one is the length of that command string. So here we can see I am passing this command delete file this, and now we can see that the file name here is A123456789 which is greater than 10 length, or it exceeds 10 characters length. Okay, now we are passing the length of this command string, and by using the %length function here, so after that we are calling this QCMD check API. So I'm not gonna executing this, I'm just giving you a demo to check the syntax error if any using this API QCMD check and passing those two parameters. So if any error, in case of any error, this QCMD check will basically give us or give that procedure CLPGM11 message ID CPF 0006, which is basically some error in the command. So once we receive this error, okay, then what we will be doing, we will be executing this receive message command, which will retrieve the message along message ID that is coming along with the message ID CPF 0006, so that we must know what actually at what point or where the syntax error is. So let's save this, compile this. Debug this. Now call CLPGM 11. So here I took this example of delete file command. You can take any example. So whenever we are building any command string, so we must use this QCMD check to first check whether the built string is correct or there is no syntax error. Then we are going to perform or execute QCMD execute or system C API to execute that command. So now the command is this, and the length is 500, of course. Now once this got executed, we receive CPF 0006 along with, just check, DSP job log F10 shift F6. So value this for file exceeds 10 characters. Error found on delete file command. Errors occurred in command. So in case of any error, we will be receiving CPF 0006, which we are handling here. Apart from this, this is again error found on delete file command, but the actual error in the syntax is this one. So we must see this. So the message ID CPD0074, which is in diagnostic message type, okay, and value this for file exceeds 10 characters. So this is the error which we are gonna receiving using the receive message command. Let's see. The message ID is CPD. So let's execute this command F11. Now CPD0074 message data is file and this one. So this is basically the issue. Message file is QCPF MSG and message file library is star libl. So in QCPF MSG message file, we are receiving this message ID and the message data is this file and the name. Okay, so it is exceeding 10 characters. So this is the demo for QCMD check API. So in case if no error occurs, we will then gonna executing QCMD execute API either or a system C API. Any of the API we can use, depend upon us. Once the syntax of the command which is gonna execute it has no errors. So this demo is just for checking the syntax of the command which is being built in the program, in the CL program. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice time.